Welcome to the course Cracking Python Interviews Automation and Development 12 Hours of Python Interview Questions on Programming.
Are you tired and frustrated being a manual test engineer and want to become an automation engineer but not sure how to go about it? Are you an existing automation engineer and planning for job change but not sure about the right approach to be followed to clear the interview? Are you feeling lost by browsing millions and millions of interview preparation links on the internet? Most of the times, the preparation for the interview is very frustrating. It drains our energy, it will make us tiresome, and it will be very time consuming. The worst part is, even though we are prepared for the technical questions, we will always miss out on the understanding what our interviewer is expecting out of us. And hence, we will always fail because of that small connectivity issue between us and the interviewer. I was in the same situation a couple of years ago. I started my career as a manual tester. Initially, it was good, but as days went on, the job became mundane and I started losing interest. Daily, at work, I started getting demotivated. And besides all this, the manual testers were losing credibility and everything was moving towards automation. So, did I come across any of the issues you're currently facing? Yes, I came across a lot of problems. When I started looking out for an automation job, I got rejected saying I don't have experience in automation. It's because automation was very new to me. I wasn't knowing from where I need to start preparing for the interviews. Since I did not have programming practice or I wasn't knowing what to say, what not to say in interviews, I failed in each and every interview. Due to this lack of confidence in the interviews, I was always shown the door. Losing an interview every time I came back to my old office, I felt very bad and lonely. During those times, I badly wanted somebody on my side, somebody who can guide me, direct me, help me with the approach to clear the interviews. So, how did I get a job as an automation engineer? Initially, when I was attending interviews, I used to answer all questions which expected single line answers in Python. But when it came to writing programs in the interviews, I lost my confidence. Then the interviewers thought, here comes another manual tester who claims to be an automation engineer but doesn't know how to write programs. This made me feel very bad. So I started practicing programs. I started writing a lot of programs. That gave me a lot of confidence. And that's how I was able to correct all my shortcomings and was able to get a job as an automation engineer. It's not just about the technical skills. It's about how we connect to the interviewer in the interview. It's all about showing the interviewer how much responsible we were in our previous organization with respect to our previous projects. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the interviewer should come to know that, okay, this is the guy I'm looking for. But the problem can be seen in different ways. Due to lack of programming skills, many of us won't be able to clear the Python interview at all. The biggest problem is, even though only few of us clear interviews, it is due to lack of practice in programming, we will not be able to survive in the organization for longer periods of time. It is where this course comes in handy. Here we will be dealing how to crack Python interviews with respect to programming and how to survive in the organization. Because at the end of the day, it is programming which matters. It is programming which helps us to earn our bread. It's programming which helps us to run our livelihood. So, what does this course contain? This course contains all programming interview questions related to basic and advanced Python concepts. This course is basically a workshop for solving all program related questions in the Python interview. In this course, all programs are written and executed in the Linux shell, and every program is explained in a much detailed depth. So, what are the advantages of this course? You will be able to crack Python programming interviews. You will be learning the unit and API testing using Python, wherein we will be covering different functions in the unit test module of Python. You will also be learning the static code analyzer tool called as Pylint and the code coverage tool called as PyTest. With all this, we will be providing you a 24/7 support such that we can answer all your queries related to programming. So, on top of all, the main advantage or gain of this course is once a manual tester or an automation engineer takes up the course, in a mere 12 to 13 hours of journey with this course, he or she will be able to gain around 3 years of Python programming experience. So, I would request you to kindly visit my course overview. If you find it interesting, kindly enroll in the course. So, see you in the course and thanks for listening to me. Thanks for visiting my page.